everybody, welcome to my video today, you guys, and welcome to Memory Keeping Friday. I wanted to show you guys my Project Life album. It's been a little bit since I did an update here on my channel. I do a lot of this updating of my Project Life stuff in my membership group, which is $10 a month, and we have one live workshop every month. We have lots of things going on. Right now we're focused on stories of home. I share my Project Life album in there. There's lots of inspiration. We have a Facebook group that you can be a part of. I have a website where you get your own username and your own password, and then you have access to all of my Project Life classes I've done, and then you have access to all of the monthly inspiration that we do. So I don't share a lot here. I just try to give recaps here on my channel. So today I thought I would do a little recap of my March setup and pages, and then also give you a look at April. So my album's coming along really nicely. Here's January. I have a lot of catching up to do. I need to do some journaling, which I have been journaling by typing my journaling out. And so I need to do that. I just need to sit down and really focus on that. I am planning on doing that next weekend. I have a little pocket of time, and I'm going to get everything caught up in my album, and then I'm also going to work on one little word. So here's March. In March, I used a combination of designer series paper from Stampin' Up, which is what you're going to see here, and then some Ali Edward cards. I have most of my photos in. I think I might have all my photos in, but you'll see I do not have any of my journaling done, and I think I have journaling that needs to go back through. Oh no, February I wrapped up, so that's good. So just starting at the beginning of March, I need to do journaling. And I have a couple spots for those, but I have all of my photos in, and I'm liking the way that it's coming out. I struggled a little bit in March using designer paper. This is probably where journaling will go. This isn't the right design right there. I just struggled a little bit kind of getting into the swing of using designer paper. I hadn't done that in a little while, and I just struggled a little bit. And then you can see I have no embellishments in, but I did fill out my March detail card, which I've been using. I have been using this from the Ali Edwards Stories by the Month kit. Every month it has come with a month detail card. So last month I had a February details. Then here's my March. So I did go ahead and fill this out. Typically I've just been handwriting that one because it's easier. I don't have to try to format anything. So you can see that. And then real quickly, as we go into April, what I'm using for April is the Click Core Kit. I love this core kit so much. It is at the top of my favorites. My very favorite core kit is the Midnight Core Kit, and then I love the Currently Core Kit and the Everyday Core Kit, and this is right up there with it because it's so simple. It has such everyday cards in it, and in fact, this is the kit I will be using for Week in the Life, which is coming up in May. I will be following along with Ali Edwards, and then also my membership group, we're all doing that together as well. So I have April all set up, and I actually have the first 2 weeks of April's photos. I already have them printed. So I'll be able to drop those in next weekend, and I'll be able to get all caught up. And then in May, I don't have anything happening for May yet. I haven't decided what I'm going to use for May. So next weekend when I go ahead and drop my photos in for April, I will also decide what I'm going to use for May. I will probably just use another core kit because right now it's just the easiest thing for me to grab and use, and things are a little bit busy right now. So lots of times when I'm just using a card kit or a Project Life core kit, I'm doing that because things are busy, right? I also have a couple inserts that I will do. I have a San Francisco trip that my husband and I are taking, and I'll do an insert into the middle of one of these, and I'll use the Click Core Kit. And then I do all of my kids' pages in the Project Life app. And again, I share that with my membership group. They see all the pages that I do in the app at the end of the month. And then let's see, just a few other things. I use this chart right here. I've been using all year long. It's a little tracker that I created. It is free to the members that are in my membership group. So there's just lots of reasons to join me there in my membership group. You get lots of access to fun things that are really helpful helpful for you when you are trying to do your memory keeping and keep up with it. So I've been using this. I just keep it at the beginning of my album. And then this was the April Simply layered kit, and it was using the needlepoint product. And this is coming up a little, the color is a little crazy here on the camera today, but I just have this layout and I might use it in this month's spread. I'm not sure yet. I haven't decided. So anyways, I hope that you guys have enjoyed seeing kind of where I'm at. I'm a tiny bit behind, but it's really easy to get caught up when you use Project Life. I do a weekly format where my layout goes Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then Sunday. And that's what works for me. I usually do a title card with a week number. And that's the basic format that I follow. You can check out my website where you'll see photos of March, and then you'll also see some links for some products that I talked about. I hope you're having a fabulous Friday and that you're getting a chance to do a little bit of memory keeping. And if you have any questions, let me know, and I'll catch you all next week where I will be doing more crafting with you guys. Have a fabulous weekend. Hanging out with me today and watching my videos. Here are 2 other of my most recent videos. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will catch you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful day.